In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert charts onto your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Insert tab up at the top, and then you want to go and select where it says Chart above Illustrations. And then you can insert whatever type of chart you're looking for, whether it's a line chart, a pie, bar, area, radar, tree map, histogram, whatever your preference is, select OK, and then you can insert or change your data through here, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.